Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are fine. So today we are going to see a GK class. Am I correct? Yes. So see here, today you have to open your book take page number 32. Okay, so up to 30 we completed. So today we are going to see page number 32. Page number 32. Okay, all of you take your pen and book. Go fast and take page number 32. Okay, insect information. Okay, insect information. See here, name these insects. Some pictures are given based upon some hint is given. Due to you have to read that hint and which insect is that one you have to identify and write. Okay ma, understood? So first shall we read the first one. It is a tiny plant eating creature. It hatches from eggs laid on plants by the mother insect. It changes into a colorful insect. What is that? See, housefly, dragonfly, caterpillar, cricket, everything in this box it's given, picture is given. It changes into colorful insect. What is that? It is a tiny plant eating creature. Plant eating creature. It hatches from eggs laid on plants by the mother insect. It changes into a colorful insect. What is that answer? The answer is caterpillar. Okay, what is the answer? The answer is caterpillar. Okay, all of you write C-A-T-E-R, cater, P-I-L-L-A-R, caterpillar. All of you write the spelling as caterpillar. Okay. Okay, the next one. It is a flying champion. Millions of years ago, it was as large as a bat. While resting, its wings are fully open. Wings are always fully open. That is what? Yes, dragonfly. Okay, it is the flying champion. Millions of years ago, it was as large as a bat. While resting, its wings are fully open. Dragonfly. Okay, dragonfly. D-R-A-G-O-N-F-L-Y, dragonfly. Okay, the next one. It is a small thin insect. If the female insect bites you, you could get malaria. Okay, it is a small thin insect. If the female insect bites you, you could get malaria. What is that? That is mosquito. Okay, right, mosquito. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O, mosquito. Okay, mosquito. The next one. Related to the grasshopper, it eats both plants and other insects. Its name is also the name of a sport. Actually, it is related to the grasshopper. It eats both plants and other insects. Okay, its name is also a name of a sport. It relates to the sport. That is what? Cricket. Okay, cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Okay, write the spelling as cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Okay, the next one. This insect breeds in garbage heaps. It is also a carrier of the cholera germ. What is that? This insect breeds in garbage heaps. Okay, garbage heaps. It is also a carrier of the cholera germ. Then what is that? Housefly. Okay, housefly. H-O-U-S-E-F-L-Y, housefly. Okay, write the spelling as housefly. The next one. This insect dances in a figure of 8 pattern. The insect dances in a figure of 8 pattern. It sting in its tail. In its tail, what is that? Sting. The male is called a drone. What is that? That is honeybee. Okay, honeybee. Write the answer as honeybee. Okay, H-O-N-E-Y-B-E-E, honeybee. Okay, so the first answer is caterpillar. The second one is dragonfly. The third one is mosquito. Fourth one is cricket. Fifth one is housefly. And the sixth one is honeybee. Okay ma, understood? Okay, then see the next one. Page number 33. What am I? You have to identify what am I. Write the correct letter in each box. See here, down some boxes are given. In this, answer is given, right? You have to choose from this. Okay. So, first you have to see. Write the correct letter in each box. First, I am a slow moving lizard. Okay, I am a slow moving lizard. To hide from enemies, I can change my color. Everyone knows, right? That is what? Chameleon. Okay, in this box it's given. See here, chameleon. F. So you have to write F. Okay, I am a slow moving lizard. To hide from enemies, I can change my color. Okay, see this, chameleon. Okay, chameleon. F. You have to write it as F. Chameleon. Okay, the next, I am a good climber. My home is in Australia. I look like a teddy bear. What is that? What is that? Koala. Okay, koala. 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 Answer is A. Okay, I am a good climber. My home is in Australia. I look like a teddy bear. That is koala. Okay, Koala. Koala. Okay, ma? Then, I live in a tunnel and spend most of my life underground. I eat worms through the day. I am a great digger and have strong paws. I am almost blind. Who's that? Mole. Okay, mole. M-O-L-E. The answer is B. Mole. I live in a tunnel and spend most of my life underground. I eat worms through the day. I am a great digger and have strong paws. I am almost blind. The answer is B. Mole. Okay, understood? The next one. I am related to the camel, but I do not have any humps. I live in South Africa. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Llama. Llama. Okay, llama. C. The answer is C. I am related to the camel. See this picture. But I do not have any humps. I live in South Africa. Llama. Okay, llama. C. Then, my name sounds like a Spanish dance. My legs are longer than my entire body. Okay, that is what? Flamingo. Flamingo. Okay, flamingo. My name sounds like a Spanish dance. My legs are longer than my entire body. So that is called flamingo. The answer is D. The answer is D. Then, although my name means person of the forest, I am a shy and an intelligent ape. What is that? Orangutan. Okay, orangutan. E. The answer is E. Although my name means person of the forest, I am a shy and an intelligent ape. That is orangutan. Okay, the answer is E. So the first answer is F. Chameleon. A. Koala. B. Mole. C. Llama. D. Flamingo. E. Orangutan. Okay, understood everyone? So everyone understood, right? So insects we learn, and this one which I am, that correct box you have to write. Okay, learn and write. Okay ma? The next one, see the next page. See this one, page number 34. Okay, page number 34. Spot the sport. Okay, many years ago cricket was an Olympic sport. It isn't any longer. Name these sports and tick the ones that are played at the Olympics. Write I next to the ones India is good at. Okay, first you have to see. This picture denotes what? The answer inside the box, the answer is given, right? See here. Here in this box, the answer is given. Am I correct? So from these box you have to identify. What is this? This is fencing. So you have to write fencing. This picture denotes fencing. This game name is fencing. F-E-N-C-I-N-G. Fencing. Okay? Fencing. Then this picture denotes boxing. B-O-X-I-N-G. Boxing. Take your pen and write boxing. B-O-X-I-N-G. Boxing. First one is fencing. Second one is boxing. Then third one is cycling. C-Y-C-L-I-N-G. Cycling. Cycling. So first one is fencing, second one is boxing, third one is cycling. Yes. Then this picture denotes shooting. Yes, shooting. S-H-O-O-T-I-N-G. Shooting. Okay. The next one, wrestling. W-R-E-S-T-L-I-N-G. Wrestling. Okay. This picture denotes wrestling. Okay. Then next picture. This denotes kabaddi. K-A-B-A-D-D-I. Kabaddi. Okay. Kabaddi. So fencing, boxing, cycling, shooting, wrestling, kabaddi. The next one, this is gymnastic. This picture denotes gymnastic. J-Y-M-N-A-S-T-I-C-S. Gymnastics. Okay. Gymnastic. The next one, archery. A-R-C-H-E-R-Y. Archery. Okay. Archery. A-R-C-H-E-R-Y. So the first one is fencing, boxing, cycling, shooting, wrestling, kabaddi, gymnastic, archery. So you have to write. Okay. If you have any doubt in that spelling, here the box, inside the box it's given, you have to see and write. Okay. Fencing, boxing, cycling, shooting, wrestling, kabaddi, gymnastics, archery. Okay. Everyone written? Everyone written? Shall we go for the next? Have to write neatly. Okay, ma? Okay. The next one, cartoons and films. Okay, the question is cartoons and films. Everyone likes cartoon, right? Cartoon films everyone likes, right? So very easy, you know already everything. So take the right answer. Okay. Popeyes rival is dash, Pluto or Bluto? Who is that Popeyes rival? Yes, everyone knows, right? Popeye show. Yes, Bluto. The answer is B. Okay. The answer is B. You have to tick Bluto and write the answer as B. Popeyes rival is Bluto. Okay. Popeyes rival is Bluto. Next one. What is the name of the blue fish who goes to find her family? Everyone knows, right? What is the name of the blue fish? One blue fish is there, goes to find her family. That is Dory or Nemo? Yes, Dory. A. The answer is A. So you have to write A. Okay, Dory. The answer is A. Okay, you have to write A. Okay, understood? The answer is A. Then, in which film is Lightning McQueen a champion? In which film Lightning McQueen a champion? Trucks or cars? Which one? Cars. Cars. The answer is cars. Write B. Write B. In which film is Lightning McQueen a champion? B. The answer is B. Cars. Then, what is the name of the teenager who sets sail on an adventure? What is the name of the teenager? Mona. Okay, Mona. Otherwise, Mona. Okay, A. The answer is A. Mona. Okay, what is the name of the teenager who sets sail on an adventure? Mona. You have to tick A and write A. Okay. In the movie Kung Fu Panda, What is the name of the panda who wants to become a Kung Fu master? Yo or Po? Which one will come? Po. Yes? So the answer is B. In the movie Kung Fu Panda, what is the name of the panda who wants to become a Kung Fu master? What is that? Po. Okay, B. Name the film. Name the film. Despicable Me Too or The Croods? Which film? Which film? Name the film. Which film is there? Yes, Despicable Me Too. That one is correct. You have to tick A and write it as A. Okay. The next one. Bollywood in Mumbai got its name. Bollywood in Mumbai got its name. Which name that is? Become films are made there. Right? That is the correct answer. A. Because films are made there. That's why Bollywood in Mumbai got name. That Mumbai got name as Bollywood because of films are made there. That's why they are called it as Bollywood in Mumbai. That is called at name. Right? Because films are made there. Okay? That is the answer. Okay, ma? Okay. The next one. The place where most American films are made is called Tollywood or Hollywood? Yes, Hollywood. Okay. The place where most American films are made is called Hollywood. The answer is B. Okay. Yes. The next one. Name the princess who has power over ice in the movie Frozen. Elsa or Belle? Everyone knows the snow. Yes. The princess who has power over ice in the movie Frozen. Snow Queen. Everyone knows. Yes, Belle. A. Not Belle. Elsa. Okay. A. Elsa. Elsa. The princess name is Elsa. A. Then the term used to describe a film in which the actors are not real people. Only the voices used are of real people. Unreal movie or animated movie? Which movie that is used this term? Yes, animated movie. So B. Okay. Everyone understood? B. Okay. So the first one, the answer is Pluto. B. The second one is Jory. A. The third one is Cars. B. Fourth one is Mona. A. Fifth one Po. B. Sixth one Despicable Me Too. A. Seventh one Because films are made there. A. The place. Then eighth one American films are made is called Hollywood. B. Name the princess who has power over ice in the movie Frozen. Elsa. A. The term used to describe a film in which the actors are not real people. Only the voices used are of real people. That is called animated movie. B. Understood? So today we completed up to 32 to 35. Everyone copy it. Okay? And study the answers. Okay, ma? If you have any doubt in that, you have to ask me. Okay? So you have to learn fast. Okay? Thank you. Bye bye.